According to many popular legends and ancient cultures, there are certain plants which are considered lucky or auspicious for our home and family. In this video, let us explore a few such indoor plants which are said to bring in good luck, fortune, prosperity, and good health for us. The first plant is pothos or money plant. These beautiful plants bring fortune, health, wealth, abundance, and prosperity to your home or office. Money plant are easy to maintain air purifiers. Place them in the southeast of your home. Scientists recommend keeping one plant near each computer, television, or Wi-Fi router to absorb radiations. Give the money plant bright and direct sunlight. Too much sunlight can harm the foliage and increase variegation. When the soil looks dry at the top, it's time to water the plant. If your pothos gets too leggy, give it a prune to control the shape. Grow pothos in a container that rests on a bookshelf or a ledge, or in a hanging container so that its superior cascading habit can be appreciated. Consider repotting your pothos if the roots have consumed the pot. Choose a container one size larger than what you are taking it out of and add fresh potting soil. Second plant is a jade plant. It is said that the jade plant brings prosperity and good fortune. If you are fortunate, these plants may start flowering in winter. One of the most important things when you care for a jade plant is to make sure that they are watered properly. Never let a jade plant dry out completely. But also do not water a jade plant too often, as this can cause root rot. Jade plants need at least 3 to 4 hours of direct sunlight in order to grow properly. If they do not get that, they may become stunted and leggy. These plants can be fertilized with a water-soluble fertilizer every 6 months. These are a succulent varieties, so obviously they do not need much watering, but they prefer a sunny location. Third plant is money tree. One of the Feng Shui plants said to attract money is quite aptly named as money tree. You will often see pictures of this money tree with braided trunks growing in containers. The money tree plant is said to invite fortune, wealth, and prosperity. This is one reason why it is also termed as a money plant. Money tree prefers deep but infrequent watering. Water the plant until it runs from its drainage holes. To prevent root rot, make sure your plant is never standing in water. Let the top 2 to 4 inch of the soil dry out between waterings. Position your money tree in medium to bright and direct sunlight, turning it every time you water it for even growth and leaf development. Money tree also prefers a bit of extra humidity, so you can try misting the leaves or put a tray of pebbles with water near it to satisfy its humidity needs. A water-soluble fertilizer can be applied once every month during spring and summer season for its good growth. Fourth plant is a peace lily plant. Peace lilies are a great addition to any room to help clean the air and evoke a sense of harmony. Feng Shui says that peace lilies help to bring about good luck and fortune. Some people describe peace lilies as good luck plant for purifying the air. A 1989 NASA studies listed peace lilies among the plants that help purify the air. For its watering needs, keep the soil moist but do not overwater. Peace lilies can tolerate short periods of dry soil, but their leaves will start to brown if neglected for a long time. They enjoy high humidity. Misting their leaves or placing their pot atop a moistened tray of gravel can help to increase humidity around the plant. Peace lilies are not heavy feeders, so fertilize only occasionally. To encourage spring and summer growth, fertilize every 6 weeks or so with a balanced houseplant fertilizer starting at late winter. Keep these plants out of direct afternoon sunlight, but in bright, well-lit area in east-facing windows for good growth. Fifth plant is umbrella plant. In Feng Shui, this plant is known as acupuncture or for your home. The leaf fingers capture positive energy and the plant is said to attract wealth for the residents. The way in which the fingers droop slightly from the stem is like of an umbrella, which gives it a protective effect. Umbrella plants do best in bright indirect light. They can usually tolerate direct indoor light and will grow more slowly and become leggy in medium to low light. Water thoroughly when the top of the potting mix dries out, then let the soil dry before watering again. Umbrella plants are flexible about watering but more tolerant of dry soil than of overwatering. Sixth plant in the list is the lucky bamboo plant. Bamboo has long been known as a symbol of strength due to its fast growth and resilience. Lucky bamboo, which is actually a member of the Dracaena family and not bamboo at all, is given as a gift of good fortune as it looks like a bamboo, but it is much easier to grow as a house plant. Lucky bamboo symbolizes the wish of a strong life filled with prosperity. Lucky bamboo requires moderate or indirect sunlight. Direct sunlight will scorch the leaves, so avoid placing your plant in front of a bright window. If growing your plant in soil, make sure it's kept slightly damp. Don't let the soil get too dry and don't overwater since it can lead to root rot. Bamboo does not need much water to survive, but it can be grown in water as well. If you choose to grow your bamboo in water, make sure that the roots always stay covered in water. Replenish your lucky bamboo with fresh water every 7 to 10 days to keep it happy and healthy. So that was the video, guys. Hope you liked it. If you did, please hit the like button and also consider subscribing to my channel for more such videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching.